2024, deputies Bradford and House with the Clayton County Sheriff's Office Cobra Unit observed a motorcycle going nearly 80 miles per hour in a 45-mile-per-hour zone. Once the blue lights came on, this intoxicated perp decided it was better to take the scenic route before stopping. Let's watch as the Cobra Unit cuts his little fun run short.
Stopping?
Not yet. Don't look like it.
Can I call it?
Yeah, he ain't stopping. X-ray Robert David 914 is the tag out. X-ray Robert David 914.
Either 80, no traffic, we just crossed over I-85, just passing GO, that's what we're doing. No traffic.
Past Monticello way, I'm running there now. Passing Charlestown Drive, he almost 41 on his own. Going past Camp Creek now, still northbound on Herschel. About 13 right now, dogs come in.
Let's see your hand.
What transponder you got?
We got him. Stand by. Get me. That was stupid. Real stupid.
Oh, shit, y'all heard me.
Use Christian Road to Western Road, Christian Road, Washington.
I got you, hold on. I got you.
You struck both our cars. We were boxing on the end.
Shut the fuck up. 3559 Herschel Road.
I'm hurt. I'm sure you are. You're gonna have a seat for get all this shit off. Hey, come on, stand up. You're drunk. First off, you smell like you reek of alcohol.
You hurt my leg. You hurt my leg.
Get this off of you.
You hurt my leg. Oh shit.
Well, get the helmet off of you.
Oh.
That was real dumb.
Oh,
Nothing. Stop Stop. Get in the car. Get in the car. Not yet. Get to the car.
God damn.
Let me go on the other side.
Get to the car. That was that's your dumbass fault, bud. You reek of alcohol. That's your problem. You're drunk.
You good?
Yeah, let me search him first.
Alright.
You got your light?
Yeah.
Damn, bud, that was real dumb. You got a gun on you?
Oh no. I'm trying to goddamn get
Everyone,
home.
we got time to
Yeah, you're drunk. Stop. The best off of you.
I was just seeing if you were trying to raise me. Okay, can you start a 4 as well for complaints if you haven't already?
Shit, y'all trying to kill me.
You running from the police.
You're trying to kill yourself?
Fuck y'all was.
Oh, you know who the I got next to you. You shook your head at me. No.
I don't know who the hell y'all
Yeah, I'm
was.
sure, bud. Now you know we're Clayton County. Welcome to Clayton County. Pull your feet in. Pull your feet in. Have a seat.
Who that living right
Okay,
there.
you're gonna have to move it.
Oh,
right,
Lord, have mercy.
All he did was pull my light off. You want to move your car to the other side?
You hit my mirror.
Yeah, right here. And your window.
Broke my windshield.
Well, that's not good.
What?
The window.
Yeah.
He's extremely signal 30.
You just want to pull behind the bike right here?
Back.
I want to say 36.
Good.
Well, then you'll have you'll put your left
Huh? Here's your hubcap. Yeah, just throw it back on.
EMS, we already called for him, okay?
Oh, shit. Hey,
Yeah, buddy.
man, you got now put these handcuffs in the front. You got
No, we don't put them in the front. I'll adjust them, but they don't go in the front.
Hey. Oh my God.
I'm gonna take the vest off of them real quick. Hey, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull one off. We're gonna take the vest off, okay?
Oh my goodness.
You understand?
Oh.
Yeah, they don't go in the front, buddy. It don't work like that.
Now this one right here.
Yeah, well, we're taking the vest off. They're not just like that. Oh, come here. Keep your hand because you need to take it off. It's got stuff in it. Take it off. What is that? Oh yeah. Take this arm out. Take this arm out.
Be careful with that arm right there.
Pull your arm out.
Oh. Woo. You gotta understand. I've been in a wreck. You can't. Ooh.
Don't move your
Oh
arm.
Lord, I ain't gonna move. Shit, I can't move nothing. It's hurting so fucking bad. You got it.
All right, give me your other arm.
Twist it like a
Give me
biscuit.
your other arm.
I got you. Oh. Ooh. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Lord. Oh. Stick him in my back. Oh.
No, it's just a handcuff key.
Thank you.
That better?
It's a lot better.
I mean, I felt it. I didn't feel it.
Why y'all just talking about me right like I ain't right here?
Huh?
Why y'all talking about me like I ain't right here and y'all try to hurt me?
You're right there. You're the one that ran from the police.
I didn't even know you
You're gonna
folks.
have to put these handcuffs up front.
No,
I'm like, I didn't know that you made the man. I didn't know it worked like that.
Well, hey, you the man. Move too fast.
Okay.
I'm 50 years old.
Listen, if we ain't trying to hurt you, I'm trying to help you.
I'm 50 years
All right,
old.
look,
Make sure don't keep that
I got
zipper.
Well, you can't take it to the jail with you, okay?
What's your name? No, bro. I'm not
right
taking
here.
that zipper.
I don't want it.
I know.
You can't
I
take
know
it
you
to the jail is what I'm saying. They won't allow you to. So, and I don't know, like,
Yeah, man, that's my zippo, man.
well, I don't want it. But you can't take it to the jail, buddy. All right, can you scoot in, or do you need me to help you?
How we gonna get this zippo back to?
We'll talk about it in a little bit, okay? I gotta take you to the hospital.
You hurt.
I'm hurt. Hey, LC,
I know you're doing your job, but I'm hurt.
come over and hit my damn.
Did you hit your head?
See it right? Look, right there. You got my windshield. So look, house got in front of me. Right behind the house.
They trying to hurt me, man. They was trying to hurt me.
Did you hit your head, man?
I know I hit something. I flipped over, man. Man, I'm trying to tell. They hurt me, man. They hurt.
The accident was very, we were going like 13 miles per hour.
Shit me. They tried to hurt me, man. Oh my. Y'all got a band-aid for this elbow right here?
A Band-Aid? No. You can get that at...
What about some spray? What they call it? That burn
We're
spray?
going to the hospital in a minute. Relax.
Relax.
Yeah, relax.
Oh, shit.
Y'all done?
Oh, shit. Oh. Siri. Oh. Man, I'm fucked up now. I'm fucked up big time now. I'm talking about they try to kill me. Fuck me, man. Fuck. These niggas trying to kill me. I was just motherfucking going home. Fuck. These motherfucking police. It's crazy. And then they believe what they saying. They actually sit here and believe all that bullshit they be saying.
As soon as the trooper gets done, I'm gonna take you to the hospital, okay?
Okay, can I please look? I know I can't tell you that you got.
You can talk to me. I'm listening.
You can't got that. Put this one up on the cage and
Nah, bro.
take that one cause
we
you
can't do that. I'm being
listen.
honest.
I got a bad shoulder.
Listen, I trust me. I believe you, but I can't do that.
What about through my legs either?
Bro, I can't
or
do
something
that.
like you got there. Put the. Well, boy, you just. I got a bad fucking shoulder.
I got you. So you're being charged with reckless driving, fleeing and eluding, okay, and some other charges, all right?
Yes, sir.
Okay? I'm just being honest with you.
I appreciate you.
We're not
being
here to
honest.
hurt you.
I appreciate it. You know, I thought y'all was trying to hit. I don't know.
Nobody. We're just trying to stop you so you don't kill somebody. You were running red lights
Unless y'all was behind me, but I wasn't doing nothing until what? Y'all was fucking with me. That's all. I didn't know. I was on my way.
Yeah.
That's
I
all.
was behind you when you were running all the red lights.
I didn't know what. Guess what? I'm trying to get out of my way. Do you know how many people are getting killed?
Well, you know how many people get killed on motorcycles running from the police?
You know, guess what? I would have took my chances. And
You did take your chances.
Instead of pulling over and somebody shoot me in my motherfucking face and chest.
Okay.
Right?
No, that's not right, buddy.
Well, you might be right.
The ops. They got blue lights and marked police cars? That's crazy.
Looks to me and goes. I was like, oh, he's drunk as a skunk.
I'm not drunk as no skunk.
Well, you reek of alcohol and you fled from the police. There's no other reason. You have a valid license. Your motorcycle's good.
Yeah, but
you were driving recklessly prior to me stopping.
I was driving in regular, and then I didn't know who you was. Y'all, you pulled up on my bumper. You know what I mean? So I'm trying to keep going. I didn't know you trying to kill me.
The car that says Clayton County Sheriff. That means I'm the cops. I got next to you with my lights and sirens on, so you could see me.
Head straight, baby.
Shook your head no and kept going.
Yeah, my head straight. Okay, go.